Welcome to 411 with 404. Today we're going to be learning about CAD, more specifically how to make an engineering drawing. A lot like this one that you see here. We're going to be making a drawing of a gusset today, the one which you see on the screen. So the first step is to go to the Model tab on the upper left corner, and then go down to the very bottom in Drawing, and then press From Design. Now we get to choose our sheet size, and I'm going to go with A4. That's pretty much your generic sheet size that you're going to want to use with normal printer paper. So press OK. And now it loads up a nice drawing. So we're going to place our first view, but actually I can tell this view is a little bit small, and so I'm just going to up this to, it's 1:2 ratio right now, so I'm going to change that to 2:1. And we'll see how that looks. That looks a bit better. So I'm going to place the first view right there and then press OK. I want to place multiple views for this piece because I want to get at least, I think I'm going to need 2 angles because I want to get the width of the side. So to do that, you're going to press Projected View, the shortcut P, or the button up here, and then select the parent. And now you can place the other parts wherever you feel they need to be. So now I'm just going to place one orthographic below that and then one isometric here to the side. Okay. So it looks like this orthographic is a little large. I'm going to make that a little smaller. If I can. Edit View. And I'm just going to say, I think 1:1 maybe. We'll see how that looks. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, now we get to start dimensioning, the fun part.
Yeah.
The first part we're going to dimension is right here. That's the only reason I brought in that side view, is so that we can get that dimension. And the next part I'm going to dimension is the gusset itself. So we'll do the top, we'll get this side, the lower side, bottom, then the left side. Next we're going to dimension the circle. If you just dimension one circle, it's assumed that all the rest are the same radius, so we don't need to dimension any more of those. We do, however, need one more dimension, the distance between the circles, 16, and then also the distance from the circle to the outside of the gusset. Now I see that these lines right here, I can tell that they are intersecting, and that just doesn't look great. It makes it look messy and it's hard to follow. So what I'm going to do is delete this dimension, and I can see that from this orthographic up here that I put down, I should be able to dimension the outside to this and get the same effect, just from a different angle. So see, now it removes the clutter and it just looks a lot nicer. For the isometric itself, I'm just going to press, since you're not going to dimension the isometric, that's just supposed to show the finished product, then I'm just going to go ahead and press Shaded under Edit. And for the last part, we're going to want to edit the title box. So that's done by double clicking, and now it gives us all of the text that we can fill in. Department, technical reference, created by, approved by, etc. Pretty much anything that you'll want to put down can be put in here. And that's how you make a drawing to a gusset in Fusion 360. If you'd like to see how we made this gusset, you can click right here. And if you want to see any more tutorial videos, you can see our page at error404robotics.com.